Burr oaks and other oak trees are easily propagated from their acorn. Burr oak has a very large acorn, which falls in the spring and in the fall, and can be gathered quite easily. Since they are quite large, they're easy to find, and they'll grow from these sprouts. One thing that we'll do is we'll do a float test on these acorns once we get through gathering them. We have several oak trees here that we're going to gather acorns from. This burr oak just being the first. When you're picking up acorns, you want to make sure that you have an acorn that has a good husk on it. It's not cracked. Like this one is peeling and it's cracked. This acorn will probably not come up. The inside of this acorn needs to be protected by the shell, by the husk. I can probably open up this one that is peeling here and show you what the inside is like. The inside kernel of this one is actually loose, and you can see the coloration. You can tell that it's rotten. It's soft and it's black, and this one is not going to come up. The flesh is rotten, whereas this one here that I picked up that didn't have a hole in the exterior protective shell will have a completely different kernel inside. See how big the kernel is, how large it is? It wasn't shrunk up like the other. You can see that it's a nice tan color, pretty solid, no black on it. This acorn will come up. The other one, the germination was ruined by the protective coating, allowing moisture and bacteria and various things to get inside to rot it.